Namaskar students, as I had pledged you in the previous video to give you the capsule study of all the identities, inverse identities, complementary identities and square identities, and also I had said you that I will tell you a way to learn them quickly to keep in mind. So actually these identities are very clear to you. Sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, that is known as inverse identity. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, and tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. These are inverse identity. Why it is inverse? Because when we will see ki sine theta, we'll write here sine theta, so that will be equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta will be equal to 1 by sine theta. So they are called as inverse identity. Means that you know about the multiplicative inverses, two numbers when they are cancelling each other, giving their product 1, that is inverse of each other. So sine is inverse of cosec, and cosec is inverse of sine, because sine into cosec is coming to be 1. One thing. Next, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. You can see 90 minus theta is complement angle, so cos of complement of theta is equal to sine of theta. Here tan of complement of theta is equal to cot theta, or you can say tan theta is equal to cot of complement of theta. So in this way these are complement relations, hereby these are square relations. Now I am hereby bringing your attention on this figure hexagon. This hexagon will give us all the relations that can be learnt by us. Let's see now. Hexagon, we have written here sine, cos, cot, cosec, sec, tan. Sine, cos, cot, cosec, sec, tan. How this to learn? एक स्टेप में बताना चाहूंगा. It is just like slang. सिंह कास कॉटन का होता, सिंह कास कॉटन का होता, शिकार तन से ना करता. सिंह कॉस कॉटन का होता, ये स्लैंग है. शिकार, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग SHI just to get it learned. शिकार तन से ना करता. क्लियर सी बात है. कॉटन का शेर कभी शिकार करता है? कॉटन का सिंह कभी शिकार करता है? तो ये लर्न कर, ये चीज दिमाग में बैठ जाएगी. दिस विल लर्न बाय यू. सिंह कॉस कॉटन का होता, शिकार तन से ना करता. तो हमें एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है, कोसेक लर्न करने का, इस हेक्सागन के कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स को लर्न करने का एक तरीका है. बस बात हमारे पास बचती है कोसेक की. सिंह साइन हो गया, कॉस कास हो गया, कॉटन कॉट हो गया, का होता शिकार साइन हो गया, तन टैन हो गया, से सेक हो गया, ना करता. ये चीज रह जाती है. तो एक चीज हमने दिमाग में रख लिया कि कोसेक आ जाएगा लास्ट. तो साइन कॉस कॉट एक साइड में हो गए, साइन के साथ ही साइन दोनों में इंक्लूड है, साइन टैन सेक यहां आया. बाकी चीज आराम से लर्न हो जाएगी. सिंह कास कॉटन का होता, तन शिकार तन से ना कर पाता. अब ये तो हेक्सागन लर्निंग की बात हुई. इट इज द वे हाउ टू लर्न द हेक्सागन कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स टू कीप इन माइंड. हेक्सागन पॉइंट ओनली. सिंह कास कॉटन का होता, शिकार तन से ना करता. लास्ट पॉइंट हो गया कोसेक. अब ये आप देखेंगे साइन दोनों हमने इंक्लूड कर दिया जस्ट फॉर लर्निंग, नथिंग एल्स. दीज आर पेग्स. When something is forgot to us, then I would like to set a peg for that कि ये वर्ड आया तो हमने ध्यान में रख लेना है कि we can recall. and also you have known about it कि sometimes is always getting forgot, then we would like to take any peg for that. Generally we are going to take a peg for that. So it is a peg only. How to learn the hexagon points? Now at the center we are writing 1. Leave it. Come on, the main topic. Now we'll see the ratios opposite to each other are in inverse relation. Sine to cosec, inverse relation, means sine theta into cosec theta will be equal to 1. Sine theta into cosec theta will be equal to 1. Come on, the next. Cos theta into sec theta will be equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Tan and cot theta also will be equal to 1. So all the inverse relations are prepared. Sin cosec 1, cos sec 1, tan cot 1 for inverse relations. Okay, their product, I mean those which are opposite, which are at the point on opposite corner, exactly opposite corner, they are giving us inverse relations. These are inverse relations, exactly. Okay, now will come horizontal. ये horizontal भी हो सकता है. It is in this way and in this way. All these are giving inverse relations, opposite. Now we are coming on complement relations. Complement relations हमेशा कहाँ आएंगे? Horizontal. इन दोनों के बीच में complement relation होगा, इन दोनों के बीच में complement relation होगा, and these are also having complement relations. Horizontal relations are complement relations. यहाँ one का कोई यूज नहीं है. No use of one over here. तो horizontal relations are in complement relations. Means that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta and cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. So this is all prepared for complement relations. Inverse relations opposite to each other. Complement relations horizontal in relation. They are horizontal in relation. Now we have to be focused on square relations. For square relation, one is always here. But we'll see all these are one. Everywhere we are failing one. All these are one only. So only one is there. If we are going to take sec minus theta, this will go on. जहां से इधर से हम इधर रोटेट कर रहे हैं, sec minus theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Again we'll move from this side only. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Means that we are starting from here. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Sec theta minus arrow says that it is being subtracted and this side is 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. For sin theta we have to be careful. Nothing is to be subtracted, so we'll take sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It is minus plus. Minus and plus. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this hexagon arrow, turned arrow, I am writing here inverse relation, it is square relations. Arrows in this way are representing, in this way means it's one side and bent to other side is giving negative, and coming from the both of the directions to the central point is saying that positive. तो ये हमारे पास एक हेक्सागन है which is explaining all the trigonometric ratios, ये तो आपके फंडामेंटल रिलेशंस हैं जो हमें लर्न करने में हेल्प देते हैं. एक चीज और देख लो, just one more thing I would like to explain. We'll see any ratio is the product of two of its neighboring ratios. Any ratio is equal to the product of its neighboring ratios. Let's see. If we are going to take cos theta, say, so what are the neighboring elements of cos theta? Sin theta and cot theta. We know that sin theta, we'll take here sin theta into cot theta. Okay, sin theta is P upon H, cot theta is B upon P. Now what it will be? P and P cancelled, B upon H. I think it is cos theta. Is it? So if we are taking the product of neighboring elements of neighboring ratio of a ratio, the ratio is itself got. If we are taking two neighboring ratios of cos theta to multiply with each other, we are getting cos theta. कोई सा एक ले लो दूसरा. Let's see the next I am taking. Let's see the another one. Any one you can choose. Let's take sec theta. We want to take sec theta. So neighboring elements of sec theta are cosec theta and tan theta. So if we are multiplying tan theta into cosec theta, we'll get tan theta means P upon B, cosec theta means H upon P. P and P cancelled out. What we have? H upon B, that is sec theta. Let's take anyone else. I'm going to take now tan theta. So neighboring elements of tan theta are sin theta and sec theta. So sin theta into sec theta, we can write sin theta, that is equal to P upon H, and it is H upon B. So cancelled out, H and H cancelled out, we have P upon B, perpendicular upon base gives tan theta. Also we can go direct, sec theta is itself formed by cos theta, so sin theta upon cos theta is also tan theta. So this is the way how to learn all these identities in a capsule form. First of all, but once or twice you need to do practice on it. Once or twice you will make this table, and then making the table, this hexagon, set all the ratios in this way. Then go to set some peg over here, here by plus, here minus, here minus. Up where we have to go on? Left, rightward bend, right, leftward bend, then minus for these two. Sine nowhere, because their sum is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we have to set the peg over here. If we are coming from sine and cos, then we are getting 1. So all these relations are capsuled in this hexagon. I hope it is clear. Once or twice you are going to prepare yourself this table and this hexagon, you will feel nowhere problem in learning. It will be permanent with you. I assure you, any question related to trigonometry, you will not feel any problem. You will not face any problem, you will not feel any problem. But identities must be ready with you. Because these are weapons, these are armaments, these are our missile which has to shot at the enemy question. So question must be shot by your missile and you must be ready with your missile. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.